Today we're unboxing a set of LED side markers designed for the C7 Corvette. These will fit 2014 and up Stingrays, Grand Sports, and Z06. What these do is they basically replace the amber light located in the front fascia, the red light located in the rear bumper, and also the rear reflectors, which are red in the carbon flash diffuser. So these are sold in sets. We have a complete kit here. So we have the smoked rear side marker. So these are replacement units. So what we do is we take the ones on the car off and snap these in. They do have an LED side marker or an LED bulb inside, and a smoke lens and a reflector too. So as you drive at night and light shines on it, the whole panel will illuminate. But the LED lights are located just like the stock one in the middle. So it's a very subtle, slick look. This is the rear one. We have the front ones, so again in pairs. And my favorite, the rear diffuser deflectors. This is probably the most important of the set, since that red reflector on the stock car is an eyesore to me. There are no bulbs in this unit. It's basically just a replacement piece like the stock one with an integrated reflector panel in it.